I would like to share few answers to the key bullet questions like how do marketing practices inform assessment of the environment and strategic decision making in your organization, right? So as I'm being part of a R&D company, it's a big hardware company, electronics hardware company, where productization and customer feedback is a very key key data collection item in our industry. And being part of R&D group, we always believe that like lot of data has to be aggregated based on various user behavior, various user likes, dislikes about whatever we make at the end product, their feedback, their pain points, their customer and their customer feedbacks. Then the what are the products we have in the market? How what are the various issues and what are the turnaround time for those issues to get resolved? uh, yeah, those all these things, and also we also aggregate the data with respect to the competitive analysis with in the market. What are the other R&D companies or the OEMs, they develop their product and compete with us. What as well as we see with respect to the current trend, what is the trend is going on, and are we up to the right trend, and are we following to the new age technology? Are we adopting those technology? And also we do a risk analysis whether adopting a new technology, whether it's a long run, whether it's beneficial or not. So all this aggregation definitely help us optimize our decision making. Yes. Similarly, the second question is like how accessible are the results to this work in your organization and why? After all this data collection, exploring the various options and solution available in-house with respect to minimize the time to market and effective development cost. This is one of the point. Another is like predictive model we often adopt that helps progression of idea and patent that really provides value in the long run for the scalability and reliability point of view. So, for example, we may adopt some idea, but it may not be really beneficial in the long run. It may create more problem or something. It may be not really reliable. So, in that case, we need to really depend on our previous historical data, and we need to analyze those data and cherry pick the key feature that really helpful, rather creating a fancy feature and create a lot of overheads. Okay. So similarly, third point we have like that all these decisions actually result end result is to improve our operational cost, right? So so if you not look behind your old data or analyze or not feed to a predictable model, then the decision outcome whatever we'll get, it's not really robust. To make it robust, we need to have very good model, and that help us reduce our operational cost. Okay. So giving your learning for this model, would you recommend to improve the internal customer analysis? Yes, where as this is very large and multi geo company, data improvement sometime data movement sometime little sluggish, and we want to improve that area. So where the the, the collection of data and node where we are taking decision, that will be seamless and little bit more faster. We have all the process in place, but still it's a multi-geo and a big organization. It is little often difficult to get faster action. So yeah, definitely it also impact the product strategy, influence the product strategy. As I said earlier, we have a lot of ideas and patent in our company. Like it's a pool of flood of ideas and patents, but you can't really take all the ideas and patents into productization. So we cherry pick based on our previous data feedbacks and uh, cost effectiveness and how fast we can take the idea to productize to a real product, and that also impact our milestone. Thank you.